this is on the strip. This is part of the Mandalay Resorts Company, and they own the Mandalay Bay, the Luxor, and the Excalibur. You see these hotels next to each other. Yeah? Of course, we are to the south of the strip. Yeah? We are to the south of the strip, and the strip goes on straight till the north, probably till Stratosphere. That's a hotel and a tower. You'll see the tower. Yeah? It's called the Stratosphere. That's where the Sahara Avenue is. You see the Stratosphere? They have an observatory on top. It's a hotel come observatory. Now coming to the hotels, you see on the right here, straight up, you see Mandalay Bay. Slightly yellowish, Mandalay Bay. Next to it you see a pyramid, black colored. That is our hotel, that's the Luxor. The beam, there's a beam on the Luxor. Huh? The beam is the most powerful beam in the world. If you're in LA, flying on LA, you can see this beam from the flight. Okay? That's how powerful it is. It's got a beam right on top of the pyramid, at the edge. Okay, so like I said, this is the south and the Las Vegas Boulevard. That's also called the Strip. I'm sure you'd have heard of the Strip. That's nothing but Las Vegas Boulevard. And it starts from a little bit to the left and goes all the way to the north. And of course you have hotels like the MGM Grand. The MGM Grand later on came as the most rooms in a hotel in one single building. 5,005 rooms at the MGM Grand. Yeah? You should go to the MGM Grand tomorrow. I will tell you which hotels you need to walk to tomorrow. Yeah? You leave that for tomorrow.
Desert soul.
Okay, tomorrow's helicopter ride will be on the strip. Of course, we need to wait till it gets dark. So it's getting darker here by around 8:30, 8:45, I think. Now also when I give you the keys, what you can do is once Carlos offloads your bag, you have the tag on that, right? Just quickly write your room number because you already got the room. So otherwise, it takes half an hour for me to go in, get the room keys and come back. But we're lucky we got the keys here. So I'll give you a number, just write your room number and you can go to your room. Now to go to the room, you cannot go on your own. It's not possible, okay? So you have to follow me and I'm going to take you. I'm going to show you the entrances. It's huge. Yeah. So just be careful when you're walking. All of you have to remember one point or one place. That is the North Tour Bus Lobby. Why you have to remember this? Because the hotel has got a lot of entrances and exits. You have to remember North Tour Bus Lobby because that's the place where you're going to get off now. You're going to get in the evening back in the bus because that's where the buses can pick up and drop. Yeah. In the hotel, if you ask somebody not to bus for the lobby, nobody will know. So you have to remember now when we walk up to which side we are walking. Yeah? Okay, Luxor, Excalibur, to your left. Of course, you'll see a Statue of Liberty. That's where New York Hotel is, New York, New York. Then you have an Eiffel Tower. So there is Paris Hotel. There is Monte Carlo, there's MGM Grand on that side, the green colored building. Of course, you have Bellagio, you have Venetian, if you've heard of.
Venetian.
You have Caesar's Palace, Treasure Island, all the hotels on Planet Hollywood, Bally's. It's all on the strip.
MGM.
Of course, like I said, this evening we'll go to the Bellagio because they have a wonderful show. I'm going to see that show. It's for 10 minutes.
MGM ग्रैंड जो ना हो गया वो ये जाए जी 5.5 कमरे चाहिए MGM ग्रैंड ही चाहिए होए
राकेश MGM ये वाला क्या राइट में?
Yeah.
The bigger one.
Okay, on the right, that's where the MGM Grand is. And you see the Statue of Liberty on this side? That's the New York Hotel. Yeah? It's getting a little bit traffic because, of course, office hours, yeah, closing, people going back home.
what type of offices are here does anybody go in the office
Yeah,
here
yeah,
also
of course. Of course, they have office.
gambling office
But that starts later.
gaming offices
Okay, what we've done is we've got tags also here. So I'm going to give you tags as well. It's one bag per person, your big bags. Write the number now in the bus on the tag, and you know, as you get down, you can quickly tag and we start now.
what we have to write on the tag
Number di neki skes dalla prikrit.
कुछ है ये होटल Monte Carlo
Can you pass it, Nitin Agarwal? Okay, your breakfast coupon is also there, huh? Here, Agarwal, Ajay, Oman.